Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, how are you today? Okay, so today we will learn about something new. But before that, let me explain first about CP and TP. For CP, pada akhir fase E, peserta didik menggunakan teks lisan, tulisan, dan visual dalam bahasa Inggris untuk berkomunikasi sesuai dengan situasi, tujuan, dan pemirsa atau pembacanya terkait teks deskripsi. Mereka membaca teks tulisan untuk mempelajari sesuatu atau mendapatkan informasi. Keterampilan inferensi tersirat ketika memahami informasi dalam bahasa Inggris mulai berkembang. Peserta didik memproduksi teks tulisan dan visual yang lebih beragam dengan kesadaran terhadap tujuan dan target membaca. For TP, peserta didik menulis serta mempresentasikan berbagai jenis teks fiksi dan non-fiksi pada materi naratif teks melalui aktivitas yang dipandu, menunjukkan pemahaman mereka terhadap tujuan dan target pembaca atau pemirsa secara tepat, kritis, jujur, dan mandiri. Okay, so today we will learn about narrative text. Okay, so let's move to our main materials. So today we will learn about narrative text. But before that, we must know what is narrative text. Okay, so narrative text is type of text that have purpose to amuse or entertain the readers. There are so many types of narrative text, such as fairy tale like Cinderella, then fable like Rabbit and Turtle, then legends like Danau Toba, then folktale like Malin Kundang. Okay, so narrative text is divided into three parts. The first one is about orientation. This part contains the introduction about characters, place, and time. And the second part is about complication. In this part, the problem starts to rising. And the last part is about resolution. This part is about the ending. It can be happy ending or sad ending. Okay, so now I want all of you to watch these examples.
Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Doho Kediri, lived two princesses, Dewi Galuh and Chandra Kirana. Chandra Kirana was very kind and beautiful, but her sister, Dewi Galuh, was very jealous of her. Dewi Galuh went to a witch and asked her to curse Chandra Kirana. Suddenly, Chandra Kirana turned into a golden snail or keong mas. The witch threw her into the sea. One day, an old woman found the golden snail and took it home. Surprisingly, every time the old woman came home, she found delicious food on her table, but she didn't know who cooked it. The old woman finally caught the snail turning into a beautiful princess. The spell was broken because the old woman's kindness. At the same time, Prince Raden Inukertapati found her. They went back to the palace and Dewi Galuh was punished for her bad behavior. They lived happily ever after.
Okay, what do you think about that story? Now, I want to explain about language features you should pay attention to. For the first one, narrative text is using past tense, like she went, not she go. And the second one, usually narrative text is using time connectives, such as once upon a time, then after 2 years, etc. Okay, so let's move to exercise. Now, I want all of you to search a narrative story, then you can rewrite it in your textbooks. Then, determine which part is about orientation, complication, and the resolution. Then, you need to find past tense and time connectives. After that, you circle it. And the last, you can retell the story in front of the class. So how do you think? It is easier, right? How do you think about these materials? Is it easy or not? If you have any difficult, tell me. Okay, so I think that's enough for today materials, and see you next time.